Hello everyone, I'm Ariana and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, this is not my normal filming area. This is my bathroom. So today's video is going to be a get unready with me. I've done a couple of get ready with me's in the past, but I've never shown you all my end of the day routine. So I'm just gonna go through this. I'm gonna go through, I got a couple of new products here that I'm working with. I also just kind of want to show you my nightly skincare routine. So this is the makeup that I've been wearing all day. It looks pretty good for it to be the end of the day. And I'm gonna use these Swisspers Unnaturally Natural fragrance-free makeup removal wipes, 100% cotton. I got these for free from Influenster. So I decided to sign up for the Influenster app or download the Influencer app and make an account and everything. I'll just tell you about Influencer in my official review video, but basically they sent me their Spark Vox box for the summertime. And it came with these in there, these makeup remover wipes. It also came with some body lotion and a foaming in shower conditioner, as well as a razor blade, and I think one food item actually that I have not picked up from the grocery store yet. So if you're interested in seeing how those products go, because I will be testing them out and reviewing them on my channel. So if you're interested to see what my final thoughts are, let me know down in the comments below. This is the first time I'm using these, and so far I feel like they're removing my makeup pretty well. Much better than the makeup remover wipes that I already have. The telltale sign will be when I get out of the shower whether or not this did too well. Well, I feel like that's about as good as it's gonna get. My eyes look super red because I was just rubbing them for a long time. And I'm gonna try to do as much of my routine as I can outside of the shower, and then I'm gonna hop in the shower, come back out, and do the rest of my routine. So recently I've been using this Formula 1006 Be Berry Ready Daily Foaming Cleanser, blackberry and coconut scented. This stuff is great for the summertime because that's when I have the most oil production. If I tried to use this during the winter, it would, I feel like it would really dry my skin out, so I have a different one for the winter time. So when this bottle's done, I'll be using the Best Face Forward Daily Foaming Cleanser also from Formula 1006. Neither of these face washes really foam up all that much, but it does get my face super clean, so as long as it does its job. So now that my face is all nice and clean and soaking wet, I'm gonna get into the shower and come back out and then finish up the rest of my nightly routine, and then I'm gonna go to bed because I'm sleepy. Okay, so as you can see, I don't feel like the makeup wipe got all of my eye makeup off, but honestly that's not that bad. It's only a little bit. Okay, and I'm just gonna follow up. Now that my face is nice and clean, it's pretty soft, I'm gonna use this Be Berry Fresh Balancing Mud Mask, and this smells pretty much exactly like the Be Berry face wash that I used. I'm gonna put it on this little mask brush. I'm having a hard time seeing in my mirror. Oh, this just smells so delightful. A nice tingling sensation is happening, and while that's setting on my face, I'm just gonna put this Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask onto my hair and then comb it through. I'm like almost halfway through this, or I might be halfway through this. I use this stuff quite frequently, which is good because that means I'm getting my money's worth. I think this stuff is about $30 some, and I'm just getting, well, that might be a lot to some people. It's not a lot to me because my hair is very curly and it needs that moisture, so I'm just gonna work that through my hair. I've been trying to keep my hair as healthy as possible because I've been having a lot of breakage lately, but it seems to be getting pretty long. That's where it is right now. It's gonna shrink a lot when my hair dries, but my hair is just so thin. It's ridiculous. If any of you have any tips for getting my hair to be thicker, please let me know. Please let me know. It's all full of gunk right now, but I use a wide tooth comb instead of a traditional comb or a brush because it just helps. It helps prevent breakage a little bit better than your traditional brush. So if you're having problems with breakage, try switching up the way that you comb your hair, because it could be that. Oh yes, I love it when my hair is detangled. If you have curly hair, you know how great this feels. And I'm gonna let it marinate, and I'm probably not gonna rinse it out until the end of the night. I know you're supposed to only leave it in there for like 30 minutes, but it's already like 9 o'clock. So I'll probably just rinse it out before I get ready to actually lay down. But for now, I'm just gonna finish up my routine here. And this mask is dry, so I can go ahead and take it off. I promise I look way more red on camera than I do in my mirror. But anyway, now that my face is nice and dry and clean and purified, you know what, I'm gonna go all in. I was gonna try to decide between my oil and my spray, but I'm just gonna use both. Okay, so this is part of my nighttime and my daytime skincare. This is the Measurable Lavender Oil Hydrating Oil. I found this at TJ Maxx for about $5 or $6. And I just like to put a couple of drops here and there and then lightly massage that into my skin. I have very normal to dry skin, so this stuff is pretty essential, especially when I'm feeling extra dry or when I'm using a face wash that leaves my skin feeling extra dry. I like to take this step, but if I'm not feeling especially dry, I'll skip that step. Alright, so I'm gonna take this Anti-Aging Collagen Plumping Serum. Who is this by? I'm not sure, but I also found this at TJ Maxx. And I like to put this here on my smile lines. I know that I am young, I am well aware, but I felt like my smile lines were starting to come out, and I really wanted to take care of that before it got any worse. I try to put it on every day, but since it has retinol in it, sometimes it'll break me out a little, so I try to space it out. It's iffy, it's touch and go, but I try to use it when I can, pretty much when I think about it. Mostly at night, it seems like it's the most important. So now I'm just gonna take this Mario Badescu facial spray. This one is in the scent, or this one is made with aloe, chamomile, and lavender to kind of seal in those oils. My skin is going to be extra hydrated, and I don't put the oil on in the morning if I'm going to use this. It really depends. If I wash my face in the morning or if I go over my face with a toner, I might feel like I need to go back in with the oil, but in the morning times I'll use one or the other, but I won't use both. And sometimes I'll go in with this Aging Vitamin C Face Serum face cream with hyaluronic acid. I also found this at TJ Maxx. You can find some really good stuff at TJ Maxx for very low. But I'm not going to use this because I feel like my face is hydrated enough. I'll probably just pick this up in the morning time or put this on in the morning time. But what I will do is take this eye brightening serum from Proactiv and put these right up under my eye bags, or right on top of my eye bags, under my eyes. This is my second bottle of this stuff. Sorry, I'm looking in my mirror, so that's why I'm looking that way. But this is my second bottle of this stuff, and I gotta say, for the time being, I don't want to go without it. It really does. I feel like it's really helping to brighten up my under eye. I look like a grease ball, but really I'm just super extra hydrated and I feel amazing. I am gonna put some of this body lotion on. This is the Live Clean Coconut Milk Moisturizing and Hydrating Body Lotion that I received for free from Influenster. And I've used it for the past couple of days, and so far, it's decent. I like the way it smells. Really, I'm just gonna have to, it's gonna take me a little while to test these things out. By the time I get this video up, it might have been, like, more time is gonna have passed. But for the time being, I'm still not sure. Alright, so that is it. That is it. I am unready and ready for bed. So I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, if you want me to post more videos like this, please leave those down in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and please do subscribe so that you can come back and visit me again. I hope to see you in my next video. Bye!